Hi guys, good afternoon. So today I'm gonna show you the 5 technologies again in my second vlog or in my second week vlog. So first technology is called earbuds. So earbuds are a small portable device that designed to fit in our ears just like this, and providing a personal and immersive listening experience. So it connect to CP or laptop, etc. So they are commonly used for listening to music, just like I said, podcasts or talking phone calls, offering convenience and functionality on to go. So equipped with tiny speakers, so the speakers earbuds delivered sound directly to the ears, often featuring noise isolation to block out external noise. So modern earbuds come in two primary types. So wired, which connect to devices via a cable, and wireless, which is used to Bluetooth technology, just like this Bluetooth technology for a cord-free experience. So many wireless earbuds also include advanced features. I think rather features such as touch controls. So this touch controls, active noise cancellation, and voice assistant integration. So their compact design makes them ideal for travel, exercises, or casual use, making earbuds a popular choice rather for audio enthusiasts and everyday users alike. So you open this touch. So the light red are and blue rather. So the Bluetooth is now open and you can use your phone to connect this. And if the phone was connected to these AirPods, you can now use this like that. And now you're listening music. So that's all for today's vlog, and goodbye. God bless. So hi guys, today is the second day of our vlog. So today technology called is a radio. So radio, what is radio? So radio is a electronic device that receive and convert electromagnetic waves into sound, allowing for the transmission of information over long distance. So this but don't have a antenna because it broken, and it works by capturing radio signals, which are transmitted by radio station through antennas, but no antennas here. So these signals are encoded with information such as music, news, or speech, and the radio decodes them into audio. And the basic components of a radio include a tuner. So this is the tuner, which selects the desired frequency, an amplifier, which boasts the signals strength, and a speaker, so the speaker here, so which produces the sound. So radio operate on a AM. So AM, what is AM? Amplitude modulation, or FM, called frequency modulation. So frequencies each suit bar four different types of broadcast, widely used for communication, entertainment, news, dissemination. mm. So radio also, to chill your feeling, you listening a drama just like that, to mm, you know the happening of our world by listening the news. So, and radios have evolved over time. So from bulky analog devices to compact digital models, while remaining an essential tool for staying connected to the world. So that's all for today, for this evening rather. Um, God bless and goodbye. Hi guys, good morning. So today is our third vlog of a second week. So today is technology. We're gonna show the laptop charger. So this the laptop charger. So what is laptop charger? So it's an essential device that supplies electrical power to a laptop and recharges its battery. So it consists of an adapter. So adapter here. So which convert the high voltage alternating current from a wall outlet into a lower voltage direct current suitable for laptop's operation. So the charger is connected to the laptop through specific power cable. So the cable and connector designed to fit the laptop charging port. So this. Most chargers have a built-in transformer and circuitry to regulate voltage and prevent overcharging, ensuring the safety and longevity of the laptop battery. Modern modern laptop chargers often include features like fasting charger or USB-C compatibility, making them versatile and efficient. So, but this is for laptop, the other side, but the other hand is the Type C. So, a functioning charger is vital for maintaining a laptop performance and usability, as it keeps the device power for prolonged use. So this the to connect the outlet. They have three, and you need to put this to make sure they connect to the outlet, just like this. And the cable of our charger, and this for connect to your laptop. So this our technology for today, that laptop charger. God bless and thank you. Hi guys, today is the fourth day of our vlog. So today's technology, I'm gonna show you the called the phone caller. So this. So what is a phone caller and how it works? So a phone caller is a device designed to regulate the temperature of smartphone during extended use. So it put at the back of our smartphone. So especially during gaming, video streaming, or other resource intensive activities. So it works by dissipating heat generated by phone processor, preventing overheating that could lead to performance throttling or damage. So most phone colors use a small fan. So this is the example of a phone color use a small fan rather. So, or thermoelectric cooling technology, such as a filter module to draw heat away from the device. They are compact and attached directly to the phone, often powered by USB or an internal battery. So, but this cooler is using a USB and the adapter. By maintaining optimal temperature, a phone cooler enhances performance, ensures smoother operation, and prolongs the lifespan of the smartphone. So making it an essential accessory for heavy users and mobile gamers. So when we use this, I'm gonna show you how it works. So just like that. This is the phone cooler fan, small fan. If you and expand to put at the back of your phone. So that's all for our vlog today, and God bless. Hi guys, today is the last day of our vlog of us second week rather. So today's technology, I'm gonna show you the it could be a phone charger. So we have here a phone charger, the two types of phone charger, the type C and the type B. So first, what is a phone charger? So a phone charger is a device used to replenish the battery of a mobile phone, and it typically includes a charging cable and adapter. So this is the adapter. The most common types of charging cables are type C. So this is the type C, the white, and the black one is the type B, USB connectors. So what is a type B? A type B connectors, often called micro USB, so were widely used in older devices and featured a slightly trapezoidal design. So the first mobile, so what could be my phone, your mobile, or etc. So while variable, they have a single orientation for insertion, making them less convenient. In contrast, the Type C USB connector, now the standard in modern devices. So for example of a smartphone is Infinix, Oppo, Realme, and other device for now using a Type C. So and supports faster data transfer and charging speed compared to Type B. So this type of charger is very fast in supporting. So additionally, Type C cables are versatile, enabling compatibility with various devices such as laptop, tablet, and gaming consoles alongside smartphones. So this evolution from Type B to Type C reflects the demand for greater convenience, efficiency, and performance in charging technology. So how it works, the Type B. So this is the example of Type B. So this. So that's all for today's vlog, and thank you.